Hello, people. My name is Artem. I hope you are enjoying this Bitcoin rally, and I'm come here to make update for Bitcoin. And as you know, this year is a huge year for Bitcoin. Bitcoin price moved around 170% since the beginning of 2020, and it is pretty big move for Bitcoin actually. And we didn't see such price actions since 2017 and 2019. So what I want to say is for today, it's key points about the price action and what to expect in short term and the midterm for Bitcoin holders and for those who want to start taking short trades. So first of all, let's take a look at price action on daily chart. And here we're looking at that the price since October only making uptrend and up moves. It didn't make any significant retracements during this rally, and this going to make first point for the retracement that we are going way too long without significant retracements. And I want to say a few key points for retracements which appears on bullish markets, and they are mostly are 33% retracement and about 40% retracement. So around same numbers, but it is very important on bullish markets to keep retracements uh, maximum this low, because if the retracement going lower like 50%, 60%, well, this could be trend breaking moment. And if the price will retrace more than 50%, this is first signal for trend reversal. So if we want to keep uptrend, and if we want to keep our long-term holding position, and if we're going to keep our midterm long positions, we need to focus on retracements which are not bigger than this 33 or 40% retracements. So this is usual retracements for bullish markets. And so if you're going to think about where it can happen, you can see that we have all-time high around 20,000 thousand dollars mark, and this is the first resistance, which is, I think, huge resistance. First of all, this is psychological resistance, but as you know, a lot of media picking up the news when the price reached some key points. And just yesterday, I noticed that Wall Street Journal front page is covering Bitcoin news, and this is pretty big moment for Bitcoin, and this is like beginning of media attention hype. And I think it's only just the beginning, because local news is silent. They don't talk about Bitcoin. So it is only just the beginning. So first place for retracements about 25-30% is all-time high, $20,000. So we are can expect that the price momentum will uh, reverse for some period near the all-time high. And if we're going to take from all-time high like 30% down, then we're going to see what the key point, what the key support level we can have. I think like 30% from $20,000 is $14,000, and we can have here like a support level. Let's make it bolder, and some color like orange. Okay, so this is our key support level for major bullish retracement. I said bullish because if we're going lower, like really lower, like $10,000, that could be pretty much bearish retracement and bearish correction. So first key point is $14,000. I know a lot of you guys trading futures, and you can't afford price going such low, but you have to be prepared for everything. So, first point for major retracement is $14,000. Of course, it can retrace from higher levels. It is also applicable, so we can expect everything below $18,000 for sure. And for like for a bullish move, of course, we are talking about that Bitcoin and the media around Bitcoin is just picking up, so they will like they will force the Bitcoin hype, and probably Bitcoin price will reach even higher levels than 2017. So I think that the prices can break $20,000 and make even bigger moves above this level. Of course, there is some kind of speculation around these levels, so everything is possible. So if you are like trying to make a decision to buy right now for holding or something like that, well, for sure it's not the best point to buy. This is even worse point to buy if you're trying to make holding, if you're trying to make investments from current prices. This is insane. So I think that it is better to wait for a retracement, wait for a good dip, even if the price will be higher eventually. It doesn't matter. It is important to pick the low price. I mean retracement price, and it is way better than picking up overpriced and overpriced price action. So I hope you understand this. So the major key point as well on let me show the RSI indicator. Here is what we can see from long term. If you're going to zoom out our chart, then we're going to see very interesting point. I think I noticed that um, you know the RSIs having also the resistances and supports, and pretty much big resistance on RSI located near 83, 85, and you can notice that we are like retracement from these levels a lot of times. Look at 2016 and 2017. There is a lot of RSI peaking on this level, and from this level it making rebound. So what we can expect from now? Well, first of all, that we already made two pullbacks from this level on the other side, and this is pretty significant signal. I think that if the price will go higher, for sure RSI will break this level and eventually will reach 95, 94 levels somewhere here before the initial, initial crash pattern and breakdown. So this is first time we see this RSI, such high since pretty long time. In 2019 we had this three top here, and in 2018 we never touched this level also. So it is pretty much big, and you can see how the retracement from $12,000 was on the same level. So it is pretty big resistance for RSI, and just recently we touched this level, and you can see that we're still holding well, so it is really possible to go further higher. And of course there is a chances, if we're going to see a retracement from all-time high from $20,000, that it is possible that we're going to have a major pullback, like 30% down to $15,000 to $14,000. Then we're going to see big relief on RSI. I think to the support level, if we're going to find the support level nearest is around 36, 27, something like that. So if we're going to see the price going down from $20,000 to 15 to $14,000, then we're going to probably see the RSI going down as well to 30 something levels to relax, to have some kind of relief, and then big pump up to 90 something levels, and then initial crash going to happen. So this is how RSI works on Bitcoin, and you can see it happened a lot of times here in 2017. It happened multiple times here, like one, two, three, four. Well, I can count five times on 2017. From 2019, we didn't saw the same behavior, and actually, we didn't saw the same price action. Yes, we had a big pullback from 3K, but it isn't the same price action. It isn't the same price monitor. So yeah, this is what basically we can see from RSI and from price action. And let's talk about um, like shorter time frames. So let's go to see what we can check on 4 hour time frame and see what the price having here. So on 4 hour time frame, there is a couple price action models which I'm following right now. So it is pretty simple. I'm using trend lines, and I think levels doesn't work like people think that they work. Yeah, some kind of levels they work properly, but first of all, I'm noticing breakout patterns from trend lines. So you can see that this trend line. Which was broken recently, it having similar pattern. It is like something like triangle. So you can see that here we have pretty much similar price action triangle, and price went up, then retrace a little bit, then go up again. And this kind of pattern happened on Bitcoin for multiple times during this rally, and you can see that Bitcoin is pretty much respecting these triangles, and they break out very, very good. So what I can expect that the price most probably will uh, like make another triangle, but this time could be bigger. So you can see that like something like that, some kind of bigger triangle, and there is a possible some kind of short-term buy zone here in 18,500, $18,000. So you probably wait for this level in order to get in a short-term trades where we can go to the upside again, as we talked about on a higher time frame, that we can reach $20,000 before the pullback. But it is a very risky trade. You have to understand the risks, and as I told you, like recently, that we are having like around 2 months without retracements. We started from October, and we didn't have major pullbacks. So each time we going higher, each time the chances for retracements are going to be bigger. Um, so yeah, this is what I want to say about Bitcoin. And if you want to see more updates, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned to my channel, and have a nice profit. Goodbye.